here at the races, we check the motor oil, because what we don't want is a too high gasoline content in the oil, because gasoline is reducing the lubrication properties of an oil. We apply the sample, and then the machine gives us, after a while, gives us a viscosity at 40 degree and, which is more important, at 100 degree. And from this result, I can calculate back how much gasoline we have in the oil. So oil is very important to reduce friction in an engine, and of course to reduce wear, because we run here on full power for 24 hours and we do not want to see our engine having any damage and stop. So we do our very best. We do a lot of testing to reduce this friction, which means also, of course, more power to your engine. And now we will show you where this oil is coming from, and I can promise it's one of the best and most modern factories in the world. Let's go there and have a look.
The race car has always been the ultimate platform for engine oil testing, and that's why we develop our products on the racetrack. So 1 kilometer on the Nordschleife is equivalent to approximately 20 kilometers for real driving. So a 24-hour race simulates more or less in average 80,000 kilometers on the road. So it's not only the distance on the Nordschleife, it's also the conditions which are really severe. There are hills and bumps, and the cars are jumping on the racetrack, so the engine oil is moving permanently in the engine, and so the oil has also to fulfill a damping function within the engine, and this is very specific for the racing oils. To achieve that damping function and to protect the engine, we need a higher viscosity. And with this test apparatus, we can test the viscosity under operating temperatures with a very high shear rate at high temperatures. Oxidation is a key characteristic for racing oils. That's the reason why we test this on the TIOS test. The TIOS test simulates oxidation and deposit forming for engine oils under operating conditions. You can see here 2 test rods. So we have one test rod where we tested the ROWE engine oil. We have one test rod where we tested the competitor engine oil, and there is a huge difference in between the 2 test rods, because we have up to 6 times more deposits on the competitor oil than on the ROWE racing oil. And for the car driver, which is important, that these deposits, you will find them in the piston rings. So it's an ongoing process on the track and in the lab, and we try every day to raise the limit to guarantee the best engine oil quality for our ROWE customers.